Make a great choice today with the 2017 Encore. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.4-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, roof rails, traction control, stability control, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find rear view camera, airbags, front knee, audio radio, touchscreen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, IntelliLink, satellite communications.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.